While it's no secret that I hopelessly fell in love with Andaman Islands, but I loved the food at my cousin's place even more, I think.
Hola from Port Blair. Today I didn't really go out anywhere because honestly the last few days have been pretty hectic. We were going out every day. So today I just decided we'll just chill at home, and my face is literally full of insect bites. Like something or the other has been biting me all over my face. But the weather was very hot even a while ago. Now it's kind of pleasant. And tomorrow I'll do a bit of local sightseeing. I want to visit the bazaar as well to do a bit of street photography. So yeah, today we're just lazing at home. I'm waiting for my nephew to come back from school so that I have some entertainment and just chill at home. Maybe we'll watch Black Panther together or something of that sort. And yeah, that's about it.
Look at me gorging on some more amazing food. Oh my god, the chettinad biryani was the stuff of my dreams. I took a little bit of a rest day before heading for my final adventure, which was a bit of local sightseeing around Port Blair. So we started off at the Nature Park and Interpretation Center beside Hado Jetty at Port Blair, and then we finally went to Cellular Jail.
We are going to see butterflies, fish. We've come to check. What is the name of this park, Namu? You don't remember? Nature park, no? अच्छा ये butterfly. What pretty fish.
Koi fish.
See that one. Orange, blue.
Koi fish है ना?
I just saw another butterfly. Now I can't find it. It was so pretty, black and like white.
Come here, I'll show you. See, here.
Oh wow.
More fishes. See, there, here.
Tiny fish.
There are, see, down a side. See, red color. And I will show one of pure blue color. See. More fish. Hey, a shrimp.
Where's the shrimp?
See, shrimp. Prawn. ये कब छोड़ा ये झींगा? ये झींगा? वो देखो.
View from literally anywhere in the island is breathtaking. What?
वो नीला मछली मरने वाला है अभी.
What fish were you about to show me?
That fish is about to die. See.
It's about to die.
No. It died.
Namaste. Wow.
So sweet.
I wanted to check out some local cafes at Port
What do you want to have, Namu?
Blair. So we stopped at Brewbeans Cafe and we had their coffees, which were pretty good, and a decent pizza. But I was a little sad that they use store-bought pizza base, but I mean, it was all right.
Namu, what? Dot dot dot. What pizza do you want? Dot 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 dot. Plain.
My nephew really enjoyed it though. And after that, we headed back home to a very nice dinner of pathri and coconut chicken curry. After that, we called it a night, and it was time for my final day in Port Blair. The Cellular Jail of Port Blair is also known as Kala Pani, which literally translates to black water. This is where political prisoners during the British Raj were exiled to be executed.
Today we are finally visiting the Cellular Jail, and it's my last day as well. So we're gonna do the Cellular Jail, take a walk across history, and then probably go to the Anthropological Museum.
The Light and Sound Show, which is held here in the evenings, clearly depicts the stories of our past.
There's a torture chair. Flogging frame. So there's to flog here. That's the whip. These were the cells. Oh my god. Imagine. This is to give food and stuff. The walls are so darn thick. Nobody could communicate. Those are the other wings.
সচিন্দ্রনাথ শ্যামলাল এই সেই বাটিতে তো খাবার দিতাম। এটা আইডেন্টিফাইড ছিল না, এবার আইডেন্টিফাই করেছে।
স্ট্রাকচারটা এরকম, পুরো জেলখানাটার স্ট্রাকচার এরকম ছিল, তার মধ্যে দুটোই হসপিটাল রয়েছে।
This one was Veer Savarkar's cell.
The construction of the prison began in 1896 and was completed by 1906. The building had 7 wings, and they were constructed in a way that each cell was a solitary confinement. This was a way to prevent prisoners from communicating with each other. They were exiled to this remote island so that none of them could become re-offenders or escape their fate.
So people who were about to face the gallows, they would have to stay in these 4 rooms, the front 4 rooms, to mentally prepare them for the gallows. Huh. 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 So people who were facing the death row would be here, and this is the gallows.
দুজনকে একসাথে এটার মধ্যে
এবং বডিটা নিচে দিয়ে নিয়ে যাবে, ওই পাশে দুটো তিনটে মাঝখানে ওটা খুলে যেত, হ্যাঁ খুলে গিয়ে নিচে বডিটা পড়তো, বডিটাকে ওই নিচে দিয়ে এই পাশ দিয়ে বের করতো।
This is where the bodies used to drop, I guess. Oh my god, I cannot.
Completely isolated from the rest of the country, these prisoners suffered greatly at the hands of the Brits and lived in extremely deplorable conditions. While today this place serves as a memorial for the bravery of our freedom fighters, one simply cannot take a tour of the place without feeling its moroseness. Gandhi and Tagore launched campaigns to shut this place down and free the prisoners.
There's something written in Farsi script. That's the replica model of the entire cellular jail. I think this is the hospital. No, this is the entry.
Entry.
Yeah. Yeah. But the colors are different now. Political prisoners. The horrors. These are the horrors committed here. The story of the prison life. Oil grinding was a work allocated to the prisoner. Okay, we were to be yoked like animals to the handle. Like, so they used to be prodded basically like animals are. This was the uniform, neck ring and uniform of the political prisoners. Hunger strike of 1933. There's even an art gallery here.
When the Japanese invaded Andaman Islands in March 1942, the prison personnel from the jail were driven out. A number of members of Indian Independence League were tortured by the Japanese, and it was under INA that Subhash Chandra Bose took control of the islands and freed it from the British Raj. However, after World War II, when the Japanese surrendered, the British resumed their control. Post-independence in 1963, the G.V. Pant Hospital was set up here, and the rest of the wings of the jail were turned to a memorial by our late Prime Minister Morarji Desai.
There's also a park right opposite. You can like take a walk or like sit or whatever. We are done with the cellular jail. Now we've come to the Anthropological Museum. So we're gonna check out the tribal history of the islands.
Photography wasn't allowed at the Anthropological Museum, but it was a great place for anthropology buffs. After that, we returned home and it started pouring, so I could not really go out to the market that I really wanted to see, but I got to watch Black Panther with my nephew. Soon after, with a very heavy heart, it was time to say goodbye to this beautiful paradise and head back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Stay tuned for more adventures.